We have two versions of a Java development kit. One is from the company named Oracle, and that requires a license, even though the educational purpose it's a free. But another version is an open source Java development kit called OpenJDK. So we are going to use OpenJDK. So OpenJDK. If you search for that, you have OpenJDK web page there, and then download the part. There is a web link to download OpenJDK. Here is the link. Click on that, and then you download the Mac OS 64-bit version. So click this one to download. I've already downloaded it. So here, this is downloaded one, and then double click to uncompressor. So uncompress is done. This is a Java development kit. Inside you will see something like this. These are the things we need. Bin has those all the utilities. So we need to place this folder in proper location. So let's search for the hint. How to install OpenJDK 14 on Mac. Search for that. Then the first hit, tutorials247.com, has some good information there. So click on that. How to install first the command. Using the command, you can check whether it's installed or not. I have shown this one in the previous video. And then we have downloaded it. And then installation is to move the folder in the proper location. Prior to that, you can check what versions I have already installed. We have checked with the Java C-V version, but there's another command, /user libexec java home dash capital V. Then it shows what Java versions have installed. So there's nothing, of course, so we didn't install anything yet. And then what you need to do is this part. Move the downloaded folder into this location. So let's go to the download the folder where I have downloaded, and then uncompress that. So the command says sudo superuser do move then JDK 14, the ones, let me do again, slash library and Java tab will list the available folder name, Java virtual machines. That's how to move the correct location of the Java development kit. And press enter. Sudo requires a super user privileges, so you need to type the password as super user password. So it's moved, and then let's check if it detects the Java virtual machines installed. The command was if I go up, user libexec, so usr libexec java home -v. Then it says OpenJDK 14 is installed. Now, as I do Java C version, it says first, this is macOS Catalina for added security. It says that this is downloaded app. Do you want to use it or open it? Say open. And then Java C version 14 shows up. So it's installed and all the installation is done on Mac.